我叫 Gregory 嘅，我識講廣東話，我識聽少少。我想sing a song about democracy. A real song about the power to the people. You know?
Oh, power to the people.
You know what? China's not stupid. It will come soon. Just wait. 2012 democracy! When I say take the power back, can you scream, take the power back? Take the power back. Take the power back. Take the power back. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I'm a citizen of Hong Kong. I lived here for a couple of years. These politicians behind me, they don't want to look at me in my eyes. We don't want no fucking train. We don't want no fucking train. We don't want no fucking train. Leave us alone and give us back our money. You see, they promised democracy. You take my vote and you abuse it. We're the people, we're screaming loudly. Can you hear us? Donald Jan, can you hear us? Donald Jan, take the power back. Take the power back. No, take the power back. 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 Rise up or stand up? Stand up. Rise up, stand up, stand up, for the life is growing thin. Rise up, people, rise up, brothers and sisters, together we'll win. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. Take the power back. Take the power back, no. Take the power back, no. Take the power back. 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 Don't say that yet. Don't say that yet. Thank you very much. Have a very nice night, and let democracy rule. You guys are. Alright, okay, this is one more for you, and I know you know this song, so please sing it. Okay, let me turn up my guitar. Fuck the politicians, you know what? Fuck the politicians, because they look at you in your eye and say, we care. Do they care? I see them. Load up, Genocidal, illegal, undeniable, You guys have a very nice night. Peace throughout the world. Democracy! You guys done?
最後一首，仲有一首，please，快啲俾出嚟，最後，last。